Anyway guys, I'm not yet done here. There's some 2 questions there and I don't know how many minutes will I take, but I hope so I'll be quick here, So this one, this one, I can just use my quadratic equation to factorize this thing if it's possible, because I don't know guys, it might not be factorized. Let me try to do it here. So let's just take this thing there, which is p. Oh, now we're dealing with p now. Here our roots here are p are here. So now let me just press this thing guys. So this is what will happen there, which is this, it's minus this plus, I hope guys you can see. Yeah, the only aim that I make sure guys is for you that you can see there. So let me just minus 4 and which is this, and 10 divided by 2 and 6. So it means that one it cannot be factorized for the fact that I got some decimals here. Do you see? Even if I change this thing, it means that it cannot be factorized guys. Do you see? So there is no way that I can factorize this one. Okay, so if there is no way, let me just write the way it is, which is this thing. The way it is this one, divide. For you to factorize this one guys, this is what you do: open close, that p there, it's p because it's p2. Then now find the factors of 10. When you add or subtract, they should give you a middle term. The factors of 10 guys, it's only 5, it's only 2 and 5 by the way. Then say bigger factor, take the sign of a middle term. Then if you see negative, they should have different sign, as you can see. Then for this one there, I can just take -1 as a common factor. This divided it's p, this divided it's minus 5, and here it's 3p there. And now for this one there, it's minus here, it's already in a good order, this one. Yeah, at least this one, I don't think so it will eat too much space rather than that one. Then for now, what I can do there, I can multiply these two things together so that they will give me positive there, p 5 and 3p, which is it's minus 8p divided by p plus 2, it's 0 there, which is 6p minus by 5 3p plus 10 divided by p plus 2 divided by p minus 5. Do you see? So now I have a chance for me to take a what? LCD. My LCD here, I will take everything from a denominator, but what is repeating, I take it once, I count it once, that one, which is this is that there. So now what I will do guys, I will show you some tricky stuff guys. Here's a tricky stuff. These guys, when it divide here, are you aware that this thing, it will get cancelled with a what? With a denominator, meaning that I will only left with this one there. Now I'm avoiding guys to eating the space there. Do you see? And now these guys, when it divide here, are you aware that this thing, it will only cancel with these two things? Meaning now what will be left there, it will be this and that one there, just 3p and p plus 2 there. Do you see? And now what about for this one? If all of this thing there, it divide there with the denominator, these will cancel together, meaning now this is what will be left there, which is p minus 5. And now this can now guys, when it multiply there, it will only be 0 there. Do you see? Yeah, when you are avoiding to do some many steps, that's another thing that you can do there. So now I can just expand now, which is here, it's 6p minus 5 3p plus 10, and this multiplied it's 3p squared, and plus 3, oh I'm kidding, it's 6p there, minus this, which is p2 positive 8 times 5 guys, 8 times 5, I think it's 45 there, or it's 40 it's 40, meaning that it's positive 40 guys. And now just collect your like term there. Which one are the like term? Like this one are look alike, like term. So this and this, yeah, also like term, and the number to a number guys, just know your like term there. Just know your like term. So now let me just press here, which is 6 and plus 3 and minus 8. Here I got 1 there. Yeah, I got 1, meaning that I just get 1, 2. Then what about for this one then, which is that it's negative 53 and it's negative 53, go with positive 6, which is this one there, it's minus 47, p there. Oh guys, why I put y there, it's p. Ish, my brain is somewhere else now. Okay, so this is that. What about this and that? The obvious, that one is 50, bro, which is this one. It's 50. So now what you can do, guys, you can just press this thing there on your calculator using a quadratic equation, because do you see these numbers? These numbers are so big, guys. I can't factorize this thing there. It will need a time. So let me just use my quadratic equation, press this thing there, which is minus 47 plus n squared minus 47, this minus 4, which is 1 and 5. Yeah. Oh, guys, what I'm doing? Ish, my brain. Minus here it's 2. Yeah, guys, make sure that you are pressing good things there, because if you are not doing them, ish, they will become a problem in your test. So do you see what I get, guys? If, guys, I get something like this there on my calculator, it means that all that equation there, I can write it here, but now it will be represented by p now, meaning now it's minus 47 plus, because that minus there is for b, and minus 47, which is that one, it's my b. And now for my a, it's 1. Then for my c, it's 50. Then divided by my a there, which is 1. So it means now my first answer will be what? Just press SD. Damn, look this answer, bro, which is this answer there, it's 45,91. And say, or another answer there, let me just change this thing into negative SD. So that is the answer that I got there, meaning that is the answer that I got, which is 0 and 9. Do you see? Just like that, guys. That's what I like about maths, you know. When you know the basics, everything, that they become much more easy. Then for a learner who doesn't know the basics, I don't know this video, will you manage to understand or what? But I hope so. And then here, this is what I can do there. Here I can take a common factor, which is negative 1. This divider, it's t. This divider, it's minus 2, which is t plus 3. And for this one, guys, what I can do there, I can factorize here. Let me factorize first of all. My numerator, take the common factor, which is 2. 2 divided, it's t. 2 divided, it's plus 3. And for this one, it's open, close, open, and close, which is that it's 0. This thing there, I can just say that it's t and t. The factors of 6, guys, when you add or subtract, they should give you 1. It's only 3 and 2. Bigger factor, take the sign of a middle term there. And now when you see negative, they should have different sign there. Do you see? So here's, guys, the important part, guys, about factorizing sometimes, because if you factorize a denominator and the numerator, you will also find out that these two things, they already cancelling there, and now these, they will multiply each other. So this is what will happen there. It's positive t 3 and t 2 minus there by t2 divided by what? By 2, which is 0 there. So these two things, guys, because their denominator is the same, what I will do, I will only consider the what? The numerator. I will only consider the numerator, meaning that it's plus, which is the denominator there. I will write it the way it is there, just like this there. Do you see? And the good thing there, here we got 0, meaning I can take this thing to the other side so that I can form another fraction there by putting invisible 1. So this is what will happen. These two things, I will simplify them. They will give me what? Positive 1 and t. Then take this thing there to the other side so that it can be negative, and put invisible 1 there, so that when I have two fractions separated by equal, I do cross multiply. You see, meaning this thing there, it's 1t plus, which is equal to 2, which is t minus, and now anything when you multiply by 1, you get the same thing there. Then this will multiply inside like 2t minus by 4. Do you see? And now this is what will happen there, guys. Let me just take everything there to one side there, so that I will collect like term, which is this positive. So this and that they will give me minus 1t, and this and that they will give me positive 5. Do you see? So now this is what will happen. I will take that thing to the other side, which is 1t, which is that it's minus 5. So guys, because this thing there it's negative 1, it means that I can divide by negative 1. But if it was positive, there was no need for. But because that I got negative, it means that I can divide negative 1, negative 1. This is what will happen. Then my t there will become positive there. Do you see? Yeah. So guys, I hope this video you did understood, because yeah, it was tough, you know. As you can see my stream, the it's kind of red. When it's red stream, just know everything is difficult, guys. And for you who doesn't have a basics, please go back and try to watch some basics. This video is not for anyone, you know. Yeah, but I was doing for everyone, you know. But yeah, but I hope guys you did understood, by the way, ne? Yeah, this one I did them from that previous video. So all the best guys for your studies, and please pray and study more. Yeah, I know that you'll pass with no doubt, you know.